So today is December 4th, and 4 in French is 4, so I want to talk about the Katrin experiment. Now the Katrin experiment is actually in Germany, and it's a tritium neutrino experiment. I don't really want to go into the details of what the experiment searches for. I'll link to that in the description below so you can follow that up yourself. What I do want to talk about is one of the coolest examples of engineering that I've ever seen in particle physics. So the Katrin experiment was built in Deggendorf, the main spectrometer, and then that was taken all the way to Leopoldshafen, and that was a few hundred kilometers away. And you'd expect the way that they would do this would be to put it on the back of a truck and then just drive from one place to the other. In fact, it travelled thousands of kilometers. It was taken on a boat down the Danube, it went into the Black Sea, through the Bosphorus, through the Mediterranean, through the Straits of Gibraltar, through the Atlantic Ocean and the English Channel to the North Sea, and then down the Rhine. And it was engineered in such a way that it could get through a very narrow passage in a small village that actually measured the distance between the buildings, the smallest aperture that this had to fit through, and then they built the spectrometer to fit through there. It was also built to fit through a lock, and it managed to clear with a few centimetres to spare. And so this wonderful spectrometer was built with this journey in mind, not the 200-kilometre journey, but the one that went thousands of kilometres all the way around the continent of Europe. So I'm going to link to that in the description as well. I just find this one of the most amazing and amusing bits of particle physics history ever. It's not particularly interesting from a scientific point of view, it's just fun. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow.